Welcome to a world of style and creativity. In today's video, we're diving into the realm of blackout curtain designs that promise to revolutionize your living space. From dye masterpieces to chic trends, we've curated a collection of ideas that go beyond mere window coverings. Stick around, the curtains rising on 10 blackout curtain design ideas that will leave you inspired and ready to transform your home into a stylish sanctuary. Blackout curtain design ideas. Nature's symphony. Bring the outdoors in with blackout curtains featuring serene nature scenes. Think forests, oceans, or mountain landscapes for a tranquil 2. Customized silhouette cutout. Personalize your curtains by adding silhouette cutouts that resonate with your interests, be it city skylines, animals, or abstract shape. Vintage lace elegance. Infuse a touch of vintage charm with blackout curtains adorned with intricate lace detailing. This timeless design adds an elegant and romantic atmosphere. Cinematic pleats. Create a dramatic effect with blackout curtains featuring cinematic-style pleats. This adds depth and visual interest to your window treatment. Embroidered bohemian bliss. Nice bohemian vibes by choosing blackout curtains with vibrant embroidered patterns. This eclectic design choice adds a pop of color and personality. 6. Quirky pom accents. Add a playful touch to your curtains by attaching colorful pom-poms along the edges. This whimsical design choice is perfect for a cheerful and lively atmosphere. 7. Dreamy canopy drape. Transform your space into a dreamy haven by hanging blackout curtains from the ceiling, creating a canopy effect. This adds a touch of luxury and intimacy. Which blackout curtain idea resonates with your style? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's spark a creative conversation. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.